In this video, we're going to show you how you can easily download Threads application on your Android device. To download the newest Threads application from Instagram on your Android, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open up your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Threads and search. Go ahead and select this application that says Threads and Instagram app and tap on install to begin the download process. Instagram Threads is a dedicated messaging app for Instagram. The application is designed to be used by your closest friends for sharing text, photos, and videos. Soon after the application gets downloaded, tap on Open to launch open the app, and that is how you can easily get Threads app downloaded for your Android. Go ahead and log in with your Instagram account and get started. That was how you can easily download the Threads application from Instagram on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these quick tutorial videos again. Thanks for watching.